Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today I'm going to show you something that looks almost impossible. What if I told you this tiny USB pen drive can carry your own personal AI assistant? No installation, no internet, no subscription, just plug it into any Windows PC, double click one file and start chatting with AI completely offline. So in this video, I will show you guys step by step how to turn an ordinary USB pen drive into a portable AI using a free open source tool. So let's get started. So at first you need to right click on your start menu and click on disk management tool. After open disk management tool on your computer, you need to right click on your USB pen drive and click on format. After that, file system you have to choose over here exFAT, and after that click on OK. Once it's well done, you need to go to my computer and go under your USB pen drive. Here I will create few folder. So the first folder I will create over here is, I will type portable AI. So under this folder I will create few more folder. So first folder I will create llama, second folder is models, then chat, lastly config. Next you need to download llama.cpp. For that you need to go to GitHub website, link I will provide to my video description. From Windows section, download Windows 64 and CPU. Next you need to go to Hugging Face website, and after that download the model. So I am downloading this Gima 1 billion Q4 0. So you can download any version. After download all the files, you need to copy that model file into a under models folder. Also you need to extract that llama G file into a llama folder. Next you need to go under your USB folder, go under portable AI folder. Under that right click and click on open in terminal. After that copy paste this command from my video description. If you have downloaded any other model, then you have to change with replace with that model number over here, name over here. Okay, after that here is my model, as you can see. After that press enter. As you can see, the model is loading and it is loaded successfully. Now if I'll type capital of India, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. Now we are going to create a simple bat file that makes this AI completely portable. The biggest problem is that it is hard to remember the command every single time you want to launch the AI. Instead of opening command prompt and typing everything manually, we will automatic entire process. So whenever you are using another computer, just plug in the USB drive, double click on ai.bat file, and that's it. Your AI assistant will launch automatically. So let's create the batch file now. So now what you have to do, you just need to go under your pen drive, USB pen drive, go under portable AI folder. Under this folder I will create one bat file, so I'll right click, new, then text document, and here I'll type the name called ai.bat. ai.bat, bat in small. I'll simply edit that AI bat file. So right click and click on edit in Notepad. Now here I'm going to give you this command on my video description. Simply paste that command and save it, and after that open that bat file. As you can see, I'm getting error because of my model name. So what I have to do is simply I just need to go under my models folder and copy that name, model name. After that, go under ai.bat file, edit. Now here the model number, as you can see. So you need to change the model name with your model name, and after that open that bat file, and as you can see, now it is working perfectly. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.